Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial how to import an STL extension file. So if you want to open or import STL file, you can go to File, click Open, and in drop-down menu you can change into STL extension file. Okay, you can search for your file. I will use this file, and you can click Open. It will be automatically show into your drawing. Now you can save this file, click save, like we save in it. And then you can use in assembly, you can go to assembly, click file, and then open your file. Okay, we open from this file, click open. Okay, that's it for basic Ansys Spaceclaim tutorial, how to import STL file. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.